County Gold Burger. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Grilling Addiction with Nick. I'm Nick. On this video tonight, we're going to be cooking at Payne County Rust Gold Burger. Shane over at Payne County Rust sent me some of the gold and some other things that we're going to try tonight. We're going to make some burgers, okay? The first thing I saw whenever I grabbed this rub is it says that the Payne County Gold was created specifically for burgers, steaks, and roasted vegetables. So we're going to be just that right there. We're going to put this on some burgers and we're going to see how those two pair. Man, he also sent us some sweet habanero dill pickles. We're going to give those a try tonight, and the sweet and spicy dill pickles. Okay, so you guys stick around and enjoy this burger cook. Here we go. Guys, we're going to grab a couple patties here. I've already got them made up. These are going to be half-pound patties. We're going to use just a little bit of W sauce, Worcestershire sauce, just as a binder on these. Something for the rub to stick into. It'll probably give us just a little bit of flavor as well. All right. And now we're going to break out our Payne County Gold. This is a really coarse rub. This is the coarsest rub that he has on his line. We're going to give it a good coat. And I'm going to press this stuff down into the burger. I'm excited to try this. We love all of the Payne County Rust product. Guys, I haven't found anything that they have that I don't like and I use constantly. And guys, I have a lot of rubs in my arsenal, but we absolutely love the Payne County Rust stuff. Okay, all right, so we got that side in. We're gonna just pat this in. We want to set that into that patty. Guys, we'll get these flipped over, a little bit more Worcestershire, and then we're gonna go back with that gold, and whatever's left on the board, we'll use that to season the sides. All right, now we'll hit them sides. Gonna kind of roll this thing around until we get all them sides seasoned up. Man, that seasoning looks so good, so coarse. It's gonna pack some amazing flavor. We'll catch you guys out there on the grill. Today we're gonna be running our pellet grill. All right, guys, we're going straight on the grill with these. Flip on these. Guys, our camera died on us right in the middle of the cook, but we cooked these on the grill. I brought them, I've got them done, and I'm gonna build some burgers here, okay? So I'm gonna get you guys down on the board, and we're gonna have these Payne County Gold burgers. Man, they look amazing. Here we go. All right, guys, I got a couple buns that we toasted out there on the grill, okay? So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go bun. We're gonna go with some of the Coops mustard. A little bit there. A little bit there. Payne County habanero ketchup, guys. If you haven't tried this stuff, it's amazing. All right, a little bit of habanero ketchup. Now we're gonna go with onions. Then we got some of the sweet habanero Payne County dill pickles. These kind of come in chunks, so I cut them up a little bit. right. All right, now we're gonna go with our burger patty right there. Look at that, guys. That's a good looking burger right there. Cheese. Go tomato. These are big tomatoes. And then we're gonna go with some of that rabbit food. Come on, there we go. A little bit of rabbit food. Bun on top. All right, guys. And then we'll give these a taste for you guys. Here we go, taste test. Payne County Gold Burger. First, I want to try the sweet habanero dill pickles and the sweet and spicy dill pickles, okay? First, we'll go with the sweet and spicy. They kind of come in chunks, which I like. They're like bite-sized. Very good. Got a good snap to it. Good flavor. They know what they're doing with these pickles. Now, the sweet habanero dill. We put these on the burger too. Very good. Sweet on the front, heat on the back. Yeah. He's got it going on these pickles, guys. Go over to his website, PayneCountyRust.com. Get you some sweet habanero and sweet dill. All right, guys. Burger time. Here we go. Big old thick half-pound patty. Which one should I go for? This one or this one?
The left.
Tyler says the left. Okay, we're gonna go with the left one. I'm gonna sacrifice the face for you guys right here on video. I'm going for a big bite, okay? So you guys are gonna have to give me a second after I take this bite. Here we go. Oh, going in for seconds. Woo! Man, guys, that is an amazing burger. Throw this Payne County Gold on your burgers next time you go on the grill. The man, the habanero ketchup and the pickles, they work together real good. Man, great burger, guys. This is a great burger rub. Payne County Gold. You guys go over there, picked up this, get some of the pickles, and tell them that Grilling Addiction with Nick sent you over there. But hey, guys. Thanks so much for all of your support. We would love to see what you think about this cook in the comments down below. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. It'll help the channel out. But guys, that's a wrap on another great cook. We'll catch you guys in the next one. We're out.